I'm just going here, going live on the Facebook itself, because today is the 2021. Yes. Yes, guys. Awesome. So guys, now I'm telling you here, today is the 2021, right? We are in 2021. We had a great year, up and downs in 2021. But we, as an entrepreneur, we have a power to change the world. We have power to help more people. We have power to change the country. We have ability to contribute in the economy. Right. So I am telling you here, we are born to be like win. How many of you are ready to win? Because this is a special call. I'm telling you, I will be sharing some amazing principles which has helped me from going 0 to 6-figure, 7-figure month. I'm telling you, by selling my products, selling my services, and winning online. So I welcome all the members here right now. Just type in comment box. Right. Entrepreneur is a different breed. Entrepreneur is a different category in the world. Because we can change the world, we can change the country, but there are some rules. We have to lead. Okay. So how many believe that one? Entrepreneurs need to be leader. Type in comment box, leader. No matter you are marketing, you are selling, you are doing ads, you are coaching, consulting, family man. All of you just type in comment box, leader. All of you just type in comment box, I am a leader. Right? You are a leader. So dosto, to become a leader, we need to start from yourself. I am starting from myself. You need to start from yourself. And these are some principles I will be sharing with you to dominate in 2021. So I welcome all of you here on this call. Let's go and let's start one by one. Right? We lead every day. We lead every day, from your family, from your kids, from your business, from your team, from your marketing. And there are some breeds. I learned some principles from Robin Sharma, and I'm going to share all those principles to set clear, defined foundation. Here we go. I'm sharing my screen right now. There are some principles I want to share. So please make a lot of notes. If you are not making notes, please make a lot. I shared some goals. Please, if you are not taken screenshot, set the goal for your family, business goal, learning and development goal, health and fitness goal, money management goals, and that will be sharing. But before, I want to tell you one thing here. See guys, this is not a motivation call. This is a growth, I'm telling you, growth strategic call. Right now, I have shared the mission. My mission right now, you and we together, I want to help at least 1 million people in the India to grow their business, grow their income, 10x their leads, sales, profit through online media, and achieve the financial freedom, right? So how many of you have that kind of mission? Type in comment box, mission. Mission. This is the mission call. I'm telling you, type in comment box, mission. And dosto, all big companies, all big brands, they have a core value, core missions, right? All of you just type in comment box. We are on mission, guys, because I'm doing Facebook ads, funnel, and mission. Without mission, nothing happened. If you want to win in the war, we need to have a mission. If you want to win in the business, we need to have a mission. If you want to get client, customer dominate, we need to have a mission, right? That is the part. So on this mission, we need to be leader. From ghar se leke, business se leke, team se leke, we need to become a leader, and that part we are going to cover here 2020, right? Here we go. First, जैसे कि आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे, I want to share very powerful principles to dominate in 2021. First guys, I'm telling you here, everyone, every person is a leader. If you are taking oxygen, then you are a leader. If you are drinking water, you are a leader. Don't tell me that he is a leader or anything. Everyone is a leader. Right? I'm telling you, if you are, like Robin Sharma says, if you are taking oxygen inside every day, you are a leader. Okay. So as a leader, there are some principles which I will be sharing that can literally help you dominate in 2021. Okay. First guys, first thing, as a leader, I want to share one principle. Do what is right, not what's easy. Guys, do what is right, not easy. So I want to tell you what is this point. First of all, sometime like we might say what somebody will say, what my family member, what my business partner, what my client will say. Do what is right. From I'm taking, I'm the walking the talk. I don't care if what other people think. I think what is important right now in my business, for my clients, for my income, and I do that one. I don't care if somebody hate me, somebody like me, somebody do that, whatever they do. Do right, not easy. All of you just type in comment box. Point noted. Do what is right. Sometime you know that one, boss. I need to fix my Facebook ad. I need to fix my marketing. I need to start exercise. I need to take some time off. But what we do? We procrastinate. We don't do. Right, guys? So do what is right, not easy. All of you just type in comment box. Point noted. Can you hear me, all of you? I'm looking for some responses. Awesome. That is the important part. I will bring some people live also quickly. Second part was there. I will bring some many of you live here. Second part. See, every human, all of you, every human, if you are a human, you are a leader. I'm telling you, if you are a human, you are a leader. Not only political leader, job leader, you can be leader in different areas, in the business, in the team, in the life, in the family. That is important. You can become a leader. That's why you are a leader. Second part, celebrate every moment. Guys, celebrate every moment. Don't wait. Even though if you achieve something small thing, let's celebrate. Celebrate every moment. Don't wait. If I become a XYZ, I blah, 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 and then I will celebrate. Tony Robbins says, these guys say, our mind loves celebration. Okay? Celebration. Celebrate every moment. You get a sales, celebrate. If you play with your kids, celebrate. If you do something, exercise, celebrate. Celebration is very important. We are here to celebrate, right? We all are here to celebration, right? Celebration is very important part. The more you celebrate, more you get. Just type in comment box celebration. And we are celebrating 2020 year as a blessing, as a noting, right? To celebrate every moment in your life, whatever you are doing. Don't wait for perfect moment. Okay? Then fourth, build a relationship with the team. And guys, build a relationship with the team. First important time, I'm telling you, in the business, build the relationships with your team member. Even they are you're down, they are noted. I'm telling you, relationships is everything. With your client, with your prospect, whatever you are doing, please build the strong relationships. I learned that lesson. Without relationship, we can't grow business. We can't live in the life also. Okay? Relationship, build the relationship, great relationships. You will grow your business. Fourth, be yourself, be real. Guys, important point. Be yourself, be real. How many of you realize whenever I am coaching, I'm doing call, you feel that Datta, you are talking from bottom of heart. You are being real. In your business also, in your marketing, in your selling process, in your family, whatever you are doing, be real, be you. Don't wear the like, bolte na hum log, kya, what we say, guys, what we say, you are inside somebody and you are showing something. That doesn't work in the sales and marketing, guys. Just be yourself. Type in comment box. Be yourself, or I am myself. Be real. Just type in comment box. Be real. I'm telling you, this secret I learned after doing so many things. In the sales webinar, dosto, in the sales webinar, I was trying to sugarcoat. I was modeling some other leaders. I was not getting sales. Guys, I was not getting sales. But the moment, how many people agree? The moment you become a real person, speak from bottom of heart, say whatever you want, people connect with you, right? In the, like, if you see my sales message, my webinar, or anything I do, I become a real person. Speak from bottom of heart. Don't hide anything. Don't sugarcoat. I'm telling you, these are the principles, not only technical part. Okay? Be yourself. Then second part I want to share quickly here. Boss, respect and love people. Please, guys, respect and love people. Respect no matter. Dosto, I was in job. Even though there is a like bolte housekeeping, guys, I was respecting. Respect everyone in the team member, in the family, whoever comes in the contact, and love people, right? That is important part in the business. I'm telling you, under promise, over deliver. Guys, golden nuggets. Under promise, over deliver. Here is the thing, guys, I want to tell you here. under promise over deliver. As a marketer, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, in for your customer, for your client, under promise over deliver. This is the quality of leader. Okay, this is the quality. You will, it will skyrocket your marketing sale. Under promise karo, come promise karo, and deliver more. Okay, that part is there. Then we have basically become a merchant of wows. Guys, become a merchant of wow. What does wow means? Guys, give the amazing service to your customer, to your client. कोई भी आपके कांटेक्ट में आता है तो give them wow experience. Wow, they should feel wow. I paid X amount, I get 10x. Guys, I do webinar, 99 rupees webinar, and people get zabardast value. You see, I don't want to show any comment here, but they get tremendous value. Everyone just type in comment box, wow. लोगों को, आपके क्लाइंट को, आपके कस्टमर को, आपके फैमिली मेंबर को, they should feel like wow experience. Everyone just type in comment box, wow experience. Become a merchant of wow. Greater service. Okay, everyone type in comment, wow experience. I'm telling you guys, don't sell garbage. कचरा मत सेल करो, और उसके साथ साथ बढ़िया क्वालिटी एक्सपीरियंस देना चाहिए. राइट, एवरीवन टाइपिंग wow experience. Do you agree? Guys, everyone, I'm looking forward. If you are watching on Facebook Live, please share your comment below. Wow experience. Become a merchant of that one. And then 9 principle here. Guys, 9 principle, I want to tell you a very important principle. Okay. 9 principle, never lose your hunger. Guys, what happened? Never lose your hunger, even you achieve great. What happened in the business right now? If you achieve some level of success in the business, what we do? Okay, guys, what happened? I'm telling you one thing. It was happening with me. If we achieve something, some level of experience, some level of success, we become arrogant. We feel like I am a leader, I am a boss, I am a great, and we lose hunger. जो हमारी भूख होती है grow करने की, वो रुक जाती है. So I learned this principle: never lose your hunger to help people, dominate, grow, and do crazy things. Okay, never lose your hunger. Always be hungry, never satisfied. I'm to say never stop. Okay, that is one thing I learned. And dosto, moment I decided, oh, I was losing, I was going down in my marketing, my business, and anything, and my client also. Okay, so be hungry. Okay, type in comment box, be hungry. Okay, then we have like 4 principle: continuous reinventment. Okay, what is this point, guys? This point is very important. See, do you know how many people know the story of Nokia, Kodak? How many people know the story of Nokia and Kodak? Type in comment box. Nokia and Kodak. All of you type in comment box. Be continuous reinventment. Business के अंदर innovation लाओ. Market के अंदर क्या चल रहा है? What people are expecting? उनको क्या चाहिए? See, adopt the changes. Okay, this point is all about like adopt the changes. What's going on? You know, guys, one of my funnel was not working really well. What I done? I just implemented new funnel, new angle, new headline, new product, new sales. In case आपका sales काम नहीं कर रहा है, आपका Facebook ad काम नहीं कर रहे, please test different hook, different ad, whatever you can use that one. Okay, do that part, reinvent. And second part I want to tell you here. उसके बाद में था basically keep taking risk. दोस्तों, keep taking risk. I quit my 1 lakh rupees per month job, IT. People, lot of people like do, see, keep taking risk because fears are responsibilities. How many believe that one? Fears are opportunities. Now you might be saying, Datta yaar, I'm not non-technical. मुझे online पता नहीं है, मुझे digital पता नहीं है. I don't understand. मुझे experience नहीं है. You might think, you might be trying to go out of your comfort zone. So please make your fears as a friend. How many believe that one? Fears are good. Make a fear your friend. All right. Before selling, you might feel, I am feeling nervous. I am not feeling good. Guys, make your fear as a friend. Right. That is the important part. And dosto, सबसे important part, very important point here. 1% daily improvement. See, guys, 1% daily improvement. See, how many people want to grow by 10x, 100 times in the year. Type in comment box. Yes, you want to grow your business, you want to grow your leads, grow income, relationship, love, health. Type in comment box. All of you just type in comment box me. Tarun, Chaya, Abhishek, Alok, Chaitanya, Darshan Singh, Dilip, Geeta, Jyoti, Mahendra Deshmukh, Kalpesh Hegdu, Malaysia. Everyone just type in comment box. Type in comment box. Guys, this is not a movie. I'm talking to you. I will bring you on the hot seat also. So, dosto, 1%, daily 1% improvement in each area. Daily 1% improvement, whatever you are doing. Just imagine in the month, 30% improvement. In the year, 365% improvement. Do you see, guys? Daily one baby step. And this way, you will be dominating 96% people. Okay? What is, guys? You will be dominating 96% people in the market. Daily 1% improvement. New videos, new learning, new teaching, new investment, whatever you are doing. 1% improvement. Don't take big step. Chota chota improvement karo. In case you want to take care of your health, thoda walking chalu karo. Okay? All of you just type in comment box 4%. That point is there. Daily 1% improvement. Then was like, see, take failure as a research. In case aapko business ke andar you failed, aapka business grow nahi kar raha hai, you are not getting client, you are not getting customer, your business is drying, or you sometime aap fail ho chuke hai. Please take your failure as a research and go and check what was wrong, right? There are 14 principles. And guys, uske baad mein, I'm telling you, self leadership is the self first. If you want to lead in the marketing, selling, team, business, life, start from yourself, right? That part is there. And 7th principle, guys, see, one idea. How many people are reading books? One idea. How many believe that one idea can change your life? Just type in comment box one idea. How many believe that one idea can change your life? Right? One idea, right? So, how many people read the books every day? Yes, one idea. How many people reading the book? Like books. I'm telling you guys, this one idea, no one knows आप कितने बुक पढ़ते हो, कौन से बुक से आएगा, कौन से ट्रेनिंग से आएगा, कौन से मेंटर से आएगा. So please keep reading, keep learning, keep growing. But one day, one idea will change your life, and it has happened with me. Okay? All of you just type in comment box. Yes, I will be reading the books, right? Because all successful people read the books. Guys, see, I'm reading this book right now. You see here? One of the books, one of my mentor, like his name is Blair Singer. He worked with basically Robert Kiyosaki. Uska book ka naam hai Sales Dog. Amazing book, highly recommended books. If you see, I'm reading so many books, but basically what I do, I read on like Amazon Kindle, then I use Amazon Audible, digital format. Okay, everyone type in comment box. I'm a reader. Leaders are reader. Type in comment box, guys. Leaders are readers. Leaders are readers. Guys, I was not reading any single book, but since I started reading the books, I am getting the tons of wisdom. लोगों का 50 साल का experience, 2 साल का experience, 10 साल का experience, I am getting in the one book. Type in comment box. Leaders are readers. So start from tomorrow. Okay, that is a part. You can listen to the podcast, listen to the videos, anything you do. Okay, awesome. That part is there. And I want to share one thing here. Last but not least, guys, fuel your soul every day. Very important part, guys. Fuel your soul every day. I am to say this part is fuel your body, mind and soul, heart. See, guys, how many believe that one? जो हमारा suppose बाइक है, कार है, उसके अंदर हम लोग पेट्रोल नहीं भरेंगे, डीजल नहीं भरेंगे, वो नहीं चलेगा. Just like that one, you and me are a human machine. So please fuel your brain, fuel your mind, your body, your love. Guys, amazing, right? Just type in comment box amazing. Fuel, usko feel karo. read करते रहो, learning करते रहो, exercise करते रहो, follow the diet, keep growing. Just type in comment box amazing, amazing. Okay, amazing. तो दोस्तों I want to tell you here, if you follow at least इसमें जो कुछ भी principle follow करते हो, believe me, all of you must be doing some kind of things. I am strongly believing. But let me recap quickly what we are going to cover. This will literally behind the scene. I'm telling you, do what is right, not easy. If you are a human, you are a leader. Celebrate every moment. Build relationship, guys. Build the relationship with all. Be yourself. Respect and love people. Under promise or deliver. Become a merchant of wow experience. Never lose your hunger. Continuous improvement, investment, keep taking action, risk in the life, because without risk nothing happen. One daily person improvement will at least yearly it can be 365. Just imagine. Okay, take a failure as a research. Self leadership start from you. One idea and one book can change your life, fuel your body. Okay, so these are the things I wanted to share with all of you right now. Right, full proof, share full point. Right, so these are the full points I will be sharing with you. I will send the PDF. But here, I want to tell you here, I want to bring you hot seat. Whatever the point I shared, do you want to share your experience? How are you feeling now? What you are going to implement? आप क्या implement करना चाह रहे हो? What you are implementing? I will unmute you. Just I want to bring you on the hot seat. Just raise your hand. Okay, Amit Kumar. Yes, Amit Kumar. You can unmute and speak. If you want, you can switch on your video also. Amit Kumar, you can unmute and speak. Amit Kavelkar, are you in the position? Okay, anyone else here? Who is the leader? See guys, leaders come forward. Leaders share your voice. Leaders come forward. Who all are leader, right? You told you I am leader. Raise your hand. Let the world know. Let the people know. What is your game plan? Just type in comment box or you just unmute. I will unmute you. Amit, are you there? Okay. Just type in comment box below. I want to come on the hot seat. I want to bring one person. What are the principles you are following in the business and what message you want to give it to other people, हमारे audience on the online? Type in comment box. I want to bring you on the hot seat. Raise your hand or type in comment box. आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो? All of you. Manish, Rakesh. Guys, I'm telling you, the ability to speak. Yes, Geeta, you want to come? Type in comment box. You want to come on the hot seat? Just share your word, share your experience. Okay, Geeta. Okay, Geeta, here we go. You can unmute and speak. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
See, I am into in this COVID-19. I actually entered into the business of health insurance, and actually, I am very by name only. I'm Geeta, so like I'm truthful. So whatever I say, what people believe in me, and they themselves come and tell me what is their real story, and automatically we make a relationship as a best friends or whatever. Then so like when I say like about the insurance policies, whatever I explain to them, so they understand and they go for it. Or some, if they are not able to go for it, so they will say we will go in the future. Right now we don't have money or whatever. So they will say they will go in the future. But here, whatever you explain in these points, be yourself, be real. That is fine. Respect and love people. I'm going through under promise, over deliver. I try to do my best wherever possible, and
yes.
And now here where I have to improve is on reading. I don't read every day. I read sometimes, so that part I have to improve. And what else? Last, fuel your soul, mind, and body every day. So that I do every day. That is my thing. Now, fuel your soul. So like I am also doing my Bhagavad Gita classes. That is for the soul. So that is something new. I'm going along with these classes also. and body exercise and all that I'm doing for last 24 years.
Awesome.
That is, yeah, so that is all absolutely fine. I'm doing only that reading part I had to do, and the rest I think I'm doing, and plus I had to follow up and do it little faster in your class, that I had to do it.
Awesome, awesome. So one question to you, Geeta ji.
Hmm.
What is the word of wisdom you want to share to the world, to our community? You are learning. If you follow that principle that has impacted your life, कौन सा वो एक प्रिंसिपल है आपके लाइफ में आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल हुआ है and it can be helpful to other our community member and other world, because I'm on the Facebook live also. Yeah.
Yeah, actually we should be true to yourself, and you have to build relationship with the people. We never know like who will come to your help and when you, and I always love to help people, and I never leave an opportunity, like अगर मेरे सामने कोई आया कुछ help चाहिए, मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ती हूँ, मेरे तरफ से जितना होगा वो मैं करती हूँ। उसकी वजह से एक रिलेशनशिप और एक बोलते हैं ना विश्वास, वो हो जाता
Yes,
है,
yes,
ट्रस्ट
absolutely.
आता है लोगों को, तो लोग जल्दी जुड़ते हैं अपने बिजनेस में, अगर
Yes.
को करना है।
Yeah, because that is what I one of like if you have seen the code of honor, वहाँ पे एक point था integrity, right? So be true
Yes.
to yourself, your clients, and that is the one of the major factor, right? So yes,
Yeah.
Geeta ji. Now, so more power to you, and I am excited to help you. And let's dominate 2021. Let's rock.
Yes.
Get out of the comfort
Yes.
zone, and you will make the things happen. Okay. Thank you very much
Yes.
for
Thank
sharing.
you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very
And
much.
wishing you all very happy New Year.
Yes. Awesome. Awesome. I
Dattaji,
hope.
you're doing very awesome class. It's very nice, and like as you said, like you are really, I mean, helping people and true to yourself,
Yes, I'm
that is
telling you.
very good actually.
Yeah, because I'm telling you, not only one part of life or it will help to grow business, but this part's also very important to dominate, right? So thank you very much for being here, Geeta ji. Dhanyawad.
Thank you so much.
All of you just type in comment box, MTY Geeta, MTY Geeta. All of you just type in comment box, share your love, share your power to just push. Okay, you can say you can do like push, MTY Geeta. Wherever you are sitting, type in comment box, MTY Geeta ji. Okay, MTY in the sense more power to you, Geeta ji. Who would like to come one more hot seat? I will bring here somebody here, and then I will be taking some question answer. Okay, I will be taking some question answer. Raise your hand. Somebody who told, like, who would like to come on the hot seat? 1 minute. Geeta ji, you done. Rakesh, you want to come in? Yes, I'm in. Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh. Here you go. Rakesh Suneja. Yes, Rakesh ji, welcome.
हेलो
Yes, Rakesh ji.
मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है सर आप तक?
Loud and clear. Welcome.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए। मैं अपना बताना चाहता हूँ, मैं पिछले 10 साल से आईटी के बिजनेस में हूँ। लाइक हम लोग हार्डवेयर में और नेटवर्किंग के सेटअप में सपोर्ट करते हैं लोगों को कि उनका पूरा पैनल रेडी करके देने के लिए, लाइक दिस। अभी पीछे लॉकडाउन में मेरा सारा बिजनेस इस तरीके से काफ़ी इफेक्टेड हुआ, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानियां मुझे आई। तो मैं ये बिजनेस में एंटर हुआ उसके बाद लगभग 8-9 महीने से, जैसे ही लॉकडाउन लगा। तो मैंने पहले भी लिखा है कि मैं आई लव दिस बिजनेस, लाइक आई लव दिस कम्युनिटी, और मैं और हायर ग्रो करना चाहता हूँ इसमें। तो मैंने इससे पहले भी वेबिनार्स अटेंड किए हैं, कोर्सेज भी परचेज किए, और वो मैंने पर्सनली आपको भी कॉल पे बताया था सर इसमें। बट द वे यू प्रेजेंट सर, आपका जो एक नेचर लगा मुझे, ऐसे देख के लगा कि यस, मतलब मुझे एक मेंटर की जरूरत है। और मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं इस बिजनेस में हूँ, मैं काफ़ी कुछ सीखा हूँ, बट वो रिजल्ट नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ जिससे कि मैं और ग्रो कर पाऊँ, मतलब एक स्पेशलिस्ट, एक किसी भी चीज़ का, मतलब एक एक्सपर्ट बनना, एक या दो फील्ड में एटलीस्ट। लाइक मुझे फेसबुक ऐड का और यूट्यूब का बनना है, मतलब मेरा गोल सेट है, दैट्स इट। तो इसी के बारे में मैंने आपसे पूछा था। तो जो आपने बताया कि हाँ, लर्निंग एंड ऑल दैट थिंग, कि आपका अपने कस्टमर के प्रति ईमानदार होना चाहिए, वो सब मैं फॉलो करता हूँ। और मैं रोज कुछ ना कुछ, लाइक 1 to 2 आवर्स में देता हूँ किसी भी नई चीज को पढ़ने समझने के लिए। तो डेफिनेटली सर मैं आपसे भी यही चाहता हूँ कि जहां मैं लैक करूं, मुझे एक लाइक ए फ्रेंड, लाइक ए मेंटर, कि यस मैं आपके साथ खड़ा हूं आपका हाथ पकड़ने के लिए। आई जस्ट वांट दैट टाइप ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम यू, सो
yes, yes,
बी वेरी ग्रेट for me if you will do that.
Yes, I am telling you one thing here. Okay, all of the members, I am telling you one thing. See how much you paid. I don't care other members how much they paid, but I am telling you one thing here. This mastermind call, literally, I am telling you, until I don't want to like under promise here, but I'm telling you one thing here. Until I'm on this planet, at least जब तक श्वास है तब तक ये कॉल चलता रहेगा बिजनेस के अंदर. Till the time I have time and I will be doing all these call, at least जब तक possible है I will be doing 100%. And I'm also planning to bring more people for supporting you or automating system. How I can do extraordinary for you guys. I'm planning also every alternative video call to bring you on the hot seat, check your campaigns, help whatever I can. Right now I'm in the development phase. I will be doing whatever I can do. Okay. Thank you very much, Rakesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so more power to you. So what is the word of wisdom you want to share with the world? One thing, one line which has changed your life, impacted more, which can help our other participants here.
Like learn and मतलब आप सीखो और सर दूसरों को भी सिखाओ. आप इस कम्युनिटी से कुछ ले रहे हैं, वेदर पैसा दे के या नहीं लेके वो मैटर नहीं करता है, बट आप समाज से कुछ ले रहे हैं और हमेशा आप इस चीज के लिए रेडी रहो. मतलब कि लाइफ में मेरा ये गोल है कि अगर मैं कुछ अच्छा सीखता हूँ, कुछ बनता हूँ, तो मैं डेफिनेटली दूसरे लोगों को स्टैंड करने में हेल्प करूंगा. मेरा ये टारगेट है और वो भी मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि जो लोग अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते या फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, लाइक एवरी मतलब किसी भी सिचुएशन में कि उनको अगर टेक्निकली कुछ सपोर्ट चाहिए या किसी इस तरह का, तो अगर मैं उस लायक होता हूँ तो कभी भी मतलब एनी टाइम माय डोर्स शुड बी ओपन, मतलब लाइक दैट. मेरा ये एक टारगेट है सर लाइफ में.
Yes. And I hope everyone should have that attitude. So Rakesh ji, thank you very much. Everyone just type in comment box MTY Rakesh. Okay. MTY Rakesh. Geeta ji, everyone. I'm telling you, just type in comment box MTY. Okay. More power to you. Shortcut. MTY Rakesh, take massive actions and let's dominate in 2021. Okay. Just type in comment box MTY Rakesh. Okay. All of you guys. So I hope all of you will be following the plan. No matter you're in a digital autopilot hub, you're in autopilot business model, you're in domination, I am here with you. So I want to tell you some success secret. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I will be having 5-minute question answer. Okay, 5-minute question answer. Share your question answer. I will be answering your questions. Ask me anything for next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Meantime, I want to share some principles. Ask me anything. Okay. So now we are here on the like question answer. Ask me anything. Dosto, before that one, I want to share my 5 favorite books. Type in comment box BIO. How many of you want my 5 favorite book? My 5 favorite book. Okay. So I want to tell you one thing here. My 5 favorite book. All right. So I want to share my 5 favorite books which you can order today itself. If you see here, I want to share the book number 1. Okay, book number 1. The book number 1 is Think and Grow Rich. If you have not like 5 favorite books, if you have not done in 2021, guys, I'm telling you as an entrepreneur, there is no successful entrepreneur they have not read this book. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You can order on the Amazon. Okay. This book is amazing. It change your life. And very few people know about this one. Like high performance habits. Okay. High performance habit. If you see High Performance Habit by Brendon Burchard. Okay. This is the like how extraordinary people become that way. That is amazing book. Guys, type in comment box. If you want to become a high performer in your marketing, sales, life, this is highly recommended book. Zabardast. He coaches athletes, he coaches CEOs, he coaches billionaires. Okay. High Performance Habits. Then we have this extraordinary book called Expert Secret by one of my mentor, Russell Branson. If you want to dominate in sales, you have this book is amazing. Expert Secret by Russell Branson. Okay. Amazing. Then guys, how many people want love? Type in comment box love. You want love in relationships, husband, wife, bacche se pyar. You don't want any fights. You want to patch up your relationships. You want to bring that joy. Everyone type in comment box love. Love in the relationships. So dosto, I have really secret book that is called The 5 Love Language by Dr. Gary Chapman. You know, I'm telling you guys, if your relationship is broken, your sales will not grow, your marketing will not grow, you will not be happy. Okay. So dosto, this book called, type in comment box, The 5 Love Language by Dr. Gary Chapman. You can order on, this is amazing book guys. You love, and believe me, आपका relationship with anyone, especially husband wife, will be amazing. Okay, these are the books. I have shared the 5 books. Also, what I am doing right now, there are so many books on the Amazon Kindle, but also you can feel free to order this book also, or you can use Rich Dad Poor Dad, or this book is like latestly I want to ask you, Sales Dog. Okay, this book is by Blair Singer. He is the advisor of one of like Rich Dad, like Robert Kiyosaki's advisor. Sales Dogs, amazing book guys. You know, sales is the #1 skill in the world. Okay, you can order this book by Blair Singer. Okay, all of you just type in comment box awesome. Awesome. Type in comment box awesome. You can order all these books. I'm telling you guys, there is no get rich quick scheme on the internet. Okay, in the life also you can do that part. Kuch bhi question say ask me right now, and I want to share before I move forward. I want to share something here. Your role, guys, your role in the 2021, your role has to be like, okay, your role. Please create your goal cards. Like this is the principle. This is the principle from like Think and Grow Rich. If you don't have goal card written, I'm telling you, kahin mat lekana, have a written goal cards, guys. I'm telling you, I have 4 to 5 goal cards. I have written here, and you can write your goals. See, I'm telling you one of my goals. I want to tell you one of goals, right? Suppose, see, I have one goal I want to share here. Yes. See, by 30 June 2020, I earned $1 million by helping 1 million people grow their business and live a happy and better life. I am a high performer. You can create goals. Whatever you write, you can achieve. Okay, you can goal write. Please do that one part. I will share the templates also. How many? If you need template, I will share on the groups. Okay. How many of you need the templates? Second part. Guys, read the business creed, affirmations. I have some creed. You can go to dattatole.co/ and you can download this creed. Affirmations, okay? You can download affirmation. Yes, the PDF more similar version. If you allow Datta, sir, you can share for it. Yes, absolutely. No, guys, no free lunch. I'm telling you, Rakesh Suneja, I'm telling you, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. I'm telling you, all of the members, don't use free PDF, anything. Pay the money. Don't buy here. Don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. All of you, just type in comment box, point noted. Pay and buy your own book. Pay for that one, okay? You will get return. Don't take from anyone. Buy your own book. And believe me, you will get amazing result also, okay? That part is there. Second part, I want to tell you here, please, you can listen to The Strangest Secret in the World audio by Earl Nightingale. Okay, then write your goals every day. These are some principles I want to share with you. All of you just type in comment box. I hope today's we had a great call to dominate 2021 and get ready for 2021. Just type in comment box. All of you, game on, guys. Bring that fire, bring that enthusiasm, bring that energy, bring that everything. I'm telling you, okay. And let's dominate in 2021. Okay, so I want one help from all of you. Wherever you are watching, whatever group you are in Facebook domination group or wherever you are in, I want you to share 3 things. All of you, are you ready for the thing? I want you to share one thing. Introduce yourself, what you do. Suppose if I tell you, I want all of you right now in this call, take a pause and write 4 to 5 things and share on the group publicly. Commit yourself. Suppose how I will do. See, hey, my name is Datta Tule. I'm a digital growth expert, and these are my 5 things I will do. I will take loving care of my body. I will develop my marketing skills. I will develop my public skills. I will give more time to my family. I will give more time to myself, and whatever may be. 5 things. All of you just type in comment box. After this call, go on the group or share on the comments box below on the groups your 5 to 6 goals on the group itself. Introduce yourself, share your goals. I'm telling you, this way you will be committing to yourself and you are sharing publicly. Chalo jamane ko pata chalne do. What is your goal? Okay, all of you just type in comment box. Yes, I will do 100%. Everyone, commitment. You start your commit from this comment box. Type in comment box. I will do 100%. Type in comment box. Yes, 100%. Share big. In case you have 10 goals, 20 goals, 50 goals, whatever goal you have. But people who commit and who don't do, same result guys. आपके लाइफ में भी वही रिजल्ट मिलेगा. People who commit, who do, they get result. Malaysia, Rakesh, Alok, everyone. आपके पास 10, 15, 20, 25 गोल है, बिंदास रखो. Sales skills, marketing skills, Facebook ads, whatever you have. Malaysia, Rakesh, Alok, who else? Who else? Type in comment box. I will do 100% right now after this call. Go to the Telegram group immediately and do it. If you are watching on Facebook, do it. Abhishek ji, Alok, Amit Kumar, Chaitanya ji, Chaitanya, my friend. Let's do it for yourself. I don't want anything, for your goal, for yourself. Okay? Darshan Singh, Dilip ji, Geeta ji, Jyoti Pujar, Kalpesh, Mahendra, Pramod, Prasanna, Rakesh, Ravindra Alokar, Sachin Lagas, Sri Deshmukh. Sri Deshmukh, are we sleeping? I am asking response. Sri Deshmukh, Snehal, Swapnil Chavan, Vandana, Vikram, Vinod, all of you guys, please, I am going on the group right now. I am going, no, I don't want to speak. Share the groups. Sri Deshmukh, I'm telling you, just type in comment box 100%. I ask simple question, answer simple response. Okay? So guys, all of you do, I will reply back to all of your comments. And this is where you start your success. Commitment to your commitment. Okay? All of you guys, go right now. Before having anything, go on the groups, do that one, and let's rock. I am ready for you to help you as an entrepreneur, as a coach, whatever you are doing. Datta Tule and team is 100% committed for your success. Thank you very much and wish you all the happy new year for you, your family, your loved ones, and let's dominate, guys. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Let's meet live in the upcoming call. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe, but don't stop growing. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much.